Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss coordinate geometry, that is third chapter of NCERT. So let's start. Okay, in this lecture we will discuss some basic concepts of coordinate geometry. Now you all have studied in previous classes how to locate any point or an object on a plane. So let's start. This is a plane. We are having two perpendicular lines. First one x dash, second is y dash. Now these perpendicular lines will help us in finding the position of any point or an object in a plane. Now this whole plane is known as Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. You can call it as Cartesian plane or coordinate plane, and we are having two axes x and y और two perpendicular lines हमने इनको naming दी है x dash and y dash. So according to this we can call this plane as xy plane. xy plane. So three names are there: Cartesian plane, coordinate plane and xy plane. Now look here, these two perpendicular lines intersect at a point, that is O point. Now if you want to find the position of a point on this plane, we need a reference point. हमें किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है, किसी भी पॉइंट की लोकेशन फाइंड करनी है, सो व्हाट वी नीड a reference point, or you can say initial point. So this reference point is known as origin. Now origin हमारा इस plane में कहाँ पे है? This point O, that is origin, where these two perpendicular lines intersects. और this point is known as reference point because हम इसी point से अपने object की और अपने point की position find करेंगे from this reference point. Now we are having two lines x dash and y dash. So according to this plane, x dash is known as x axis and y dash is known as y axis. So in Cartesian plane we are having two axes, first one x axis and second one y axis, and these axes are known as coordinate axes. So what are coordinate axes? X axis and y axis. Coordinate axes हमारे पास two हो गए, first one x axis and second one y axis. Now this axis divides our plane in four parts. Look carefully, we are having two axes and these axes divides our Cartesian plane into four parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts हो गए. Now these four parts are known as quadrants. That is most important. Our axes divide our Cartesian plane into four planes or four parts, and these four parts are known as quadrants. So first one, this first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. आपको ये sequence follow करना है, first, second, third and fourth. Now we have to locate a point. A point locate करने के लिए what we need? We need points. So in Cartesian plane, if we want to state the points, कैसे state करना है हमें points को? Yes, we are having a bracket, and in this bracket we have to write the points. Now we are having two axes x and y, that means हमारे पास points भी कितने होंगे? 2. But हमें उन points को लिखना कैसे है? First x, after that y. So in stating the coordinates of a point, x axis come first, after that y axis. So look carefully. In first quadrant, x axis की जो values है, x axis के जो points हैं, वो क्या है? Positive. Similarly on y axis, again positive points. So we are having four parts. X axis positive, negative x axis, similarly positive y axis, this side negative y axis. So in first quadrants अगर हमें x y को represent करना है, x come first, that means जो हमारे x axis के points हैं in first quadrant, they are positive So positive again, and y-axis again positive, so positive. That means फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट पे हमारे जितने भी पॉइंट्स लाई करेंगे, कोऑर्डिनेट्स लाई करेंगे, उन दोनों के साइन कैसे होंगे? प्लस प्लस, because here we are having positive x-axis, similarly positive y-axis. Now in second quadrant we are having negative x-axis and x come first. That means in second quadrant first sign will be negative and second part, that is y-axis, positive y-axis, so negative, positive. Now third quadrant, both are negative, negative x-axis and negative y-axis. So in third quadrant sign will be negative, negative. Now last one, that is fourth quadrant. We are having positive x-axis and negative y-axis. So fourth quadrant sign will be plus, minus. Always remember x come first, after that y. Now we have to find the coordinates of origin. As you all know, origin is the reference point. So reference point है origin, that means its distance from both the axes, either x-axis or y-axis is 0. जो हमारा origin है उसका जो distance है x-axis से वो कितना है? 0. Similarly y-axis से भी कितना है? 0. So we can say that coordinates of origin is 0, 0. x-axis का भी कोई point present नहीं है वहाँ पे, ना ही y-axis का कोई coordinate present है. So coordinates of origin will be 0, 0. Now we have to find the equation for x-axis and equation for y-axis. How we can find this? So listen carefully. On x-axis there is no coordinate of y. x-axis पे सिर्फ x के coordinates present है because y के लिए हमारे पास different x's है. So we can say that on x-axis there is no coordinate of y. That means x-axis पे y क्या हो जाएगा? 0. Similarly on y-axis there is no coordinate of x. y-axis पे हमारे पास है y के points हैं because x के लिए again different x's है. So we can say that on y-axis there is no coordinate of x. So for x-axis, sorry, for y-axis x equals to 0, and these are the equations for x-axis and y-axis. So equation for x-axis will be y equals to 0 because जो हमारा x-axis है उस पे y की कोई भी coordinates present नहीं है. So we can simply say that y equals to 0, and equation for y-axis is x equals to 0 because y-axis पे हमारे पास x का कोई भी coordinate present नहीं है. So we can simply say that equation for y-axis will be x equals to, as we have already discussed, on x-axis y equals to 0. Equation for x-axis is y equals to 0. Similarly, equation for y-axis is x equals to 0. One important thing, y-axis is known as ordinate and x-axis is also known as abscissa. Now we have to find the coordinate of any point on the x-axis is of the form dash. You have to fill this blank. Yes. Now on x-axis जो भी हमारे points होंगे, हमारे coordinates होंगे, उन्हें हम कैसे represent कर सकते हैं? Similarly, we have to find the coordinates of any point on the y-axis. We have to find its form. We have already discussed x-axis y equals to 0. So x-axis पे जितने भी हमारे coordinates होंगे उनकी form कैसी होगी? First bracket. Now x come first. So x-axis पे हमारे पास x के coordinates present होंगे. Yes. So we can write first coordinate will be x. Now second coordinate, that is y. Now on x-axis y is not present. So second coordinate will be 0. So the coordinates for x-axis is of the form x, 0. Similarly, we have to find the coordinates for y-axis. Again, on y-axis x equals to 0. Now bracket. First one, that is x. So on y-axis x equals to 0. So first part is 0 because x come first. Now second one y. Y-axis पे y की coordinates तो present हैं. So 0, y. So coordinates of any point on the x-axis is of the form x, 0. Similarly, coordinates of any point on the y-axis is of the form 0, y, because on x-axis y equals to 0 and on y-axis x equals to 0.